Welcome back. You are watching C&C Farm, and I am Ashley. If this is your first time here, thank you all so much for stopping to check us out. Today I am trying a new recipe in the air fryer. I am a sucker for apple fritters. I love apple fritters, and I found this air fryer recipe, and we're going to try those out and see how they compare. So now I'm just going to be combining some melted butter, some lemon juice, some milk, and an egg in one mixing bowl. Now, I am notorious for not reading a recipe all the way through, and sure enough, there was a tip at the end of this recipe for a fluffier fritter to add cold butter. Using your cheese grater, you would just grate it instead of melting the butter. So next time around, I will definitely try that technique out and see how it compares to this time. Now, after you get your wet ingredients mixed up, you are just going to mix up your dry ingredients, which is going to be a combination of flour, salt, baking powder, and cinnamon and nutmeg. After you have mixed this up, then you're going to combine your wet and your dry ingredients before folding in your diced up apples. And as you can see, I already have my apples that I have already pre-diced. Now, another tip that I did find in this recipe, it called for 2 apples. Now, you're going to want to watch your apple size because I thought mine were kind of medium size, and I only needed about 1 of these apples. Now, once all of your ingredients are combined, you are going to want to chill your mixture before you put it in your air fryer. This can be chilled for 15 minutes up to a few days is what the recipe said. So we're going to put this in the refrigerator for about 15 minutes and try it out with that time frame. Now we are just going to mix up our glaze, which is a combination of a half a cup powdered sugar, a quarter teaspoon of cinnamon, and 2 tablespoons of milk. I found it easiest when icing your fritters, being that they are smaller. It worked out better for me if I just dipped them into the bowl. The glaze was just not working out. I was kind of wasting it, and it just was not covering it the way I wanted to. So I chose to dip mine. But again, whatever you prefer on this, that was just my tip. So overall, this was a great recipe. I will definitely try this one again. My little one had no complaints. He cleared his plate and wanted more, so not a problem there. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, Everyone have an awesome day.